In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a custom favicon to your website using Lovable AI. Whether you're looking to make your site easily identifiable in a browser tab or just want to add a creative touch, customizing your favicon is a great way to enhance your brand's visibility. To begin, you'll want to open your project in Lovable AI. If you're new to this tool, Lovable AI provides a user-friendly interface for managing and designing your website. So don't worry if you're not a coding expert. Once you've opened your project, you'll need to use the navigation panel. Now, this might be labeled as settings, site settings, or design, depending on how your interface is currently set up. But either way, you're looking for a section related to your site's configuration. As you're navigating through the settings, you'll need to locate the option for uploading a favicon. A favicon is that small icon you see in the tab section when you have a website open in your browser, acting almost like a visual bookmark for your site. They're commonly saved as PNG or ICO files and are typically 16:16 or 32:32 pixels in size. If you don't already have a favicon designed, there are plenty of online tools available that can help you create one, keeping those size specifications in mind. Once you've found the favicon upload option, it's time to add your custom design. Simply click the upload button and select your favicon file from your computer. Make sure that your file meets the typical standards like being in the correct format and resolution, as this will ensure it displays properly across different browsers and devices. After you've uploaded the favicon, the next crucial step is to save the changes you've made. Sometimes it's easy to overlook this, but saving is essential to ensuring your new favicon takes effect. To double check that everything is set up correctly, navigate away from the settings panel and look for a preview or view site option. Previewing your website will allow you to verify that the favicon appears as intended in the browser tab. Seeing your brand or personal icon next to your site title is an excellent confirmation that you've followed all steps accurately and that your changes have been applied successfully. Remember, making small updates like these can help make your website look polished and professional. That's it! You've successfully added a custom favicon to your website using Lovable AI, enhancing both its appearance and functionality. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy designing!